bees, and it's time for another bee inspection. It's been several weeks since I've done an inspection, so I need to do a fairly thorough one. I noticed that my third box is now full of honey, or nearly full. It's one of the frames isn't quite full, so it's time to put on a fourth box. Amazingly, I didn't think I'd get 4 boxes this season, but they're producing very well, so I'm lucky. We'll just go ahead and see if I can
wherever his head
get this
moves,
done without suiting up. There's nearly 50,000 bees in the hive now, and so the population is large enough that I may need to suit up to do a good inspection today. Let's start with the bottom box, so I need to remove the top 2 boxes, and they glued them down very nicely with propolis, which is one of the things they love to do. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if we can get these pried apart.
Then, I get over there. Leah, you were the head, and I were the now. Trade the trades. Trade. Hey, my name is Scott. Thank you. Hey, my name is Scott. Switch.
This is top box is very heavy. It's full, which means it's about 50 pounds, 45 to 50 pounds. So it's with the stickiness and you have to. It's quite a trick to get these boxes apart without spooking the bees, that is. So here we go. Let's try this.
No, switchy. Oh yeah.
Oh, so when I pulled that first box off, I see that they have put comb between the third and the second box. So now when I tore that apart, it's kind of dripping honey along the top, and now all the bees on top are lapping up all that exuding honey, so they don't lose it, which is fine with me. I probably should clean it up a little bit, but I don't want to make the bees mad, so I'm going to go ahead and let them clean it up, and I'm going to see if I can get into the bottom. Well, just because I've excited my bees, I'm going to put on my veil.
I almost touched the leaves.
See if I can move this without making a mad, you know?
I almost touched it. I touched it.
Okay. So, same thing. We've got a little bit of comb between the second and first box, but not quite as much. And so, I see a few lapping up the honey. Okay, so I had one bee that was just going to be mad at me today and wasn't going to let me do my inspection. So, we're going to go ahead and suit up and continue today. It's really glued in with propolis, hard to get out. Mostly honey on that one here. Which makes me suspect that the queen has kind of slowed down her brood production. That might make sense. The fact that she has filled up this 3 boxes. She doesn't need much more brood at this point. So this one, it's quite quite a lot of brood actually. Whole center section and honey around the arc at the top. Okay. Cat brood, so not long until we get some more hatching. I better get that fourth box going. So I've got the fourth box on. I kind of edited this quick. I put them all the boxes back together to calm the bees down. Had a few really angry ones. I'm getting to the point where I think I may need to suit up from now on. My calm hive has become more of a normal hive, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and put that fourth box in. I've got the frames here in my hand, and we'll put those frames in. This, I got the black foundation this time, just what they had on hand. We were out of the natural foundation today, so I went with the black.